Why settle for less when you can have 5 bedrooms on a corner block? This Riverstone townhouse is designed for family convenience with 1 bedroom and a full bathroom downstairs and 4 bedrooms upstairs for the family to enjoy. I'm Varsha from Ray White, and come find out why this home could be perfect for your family.
Show me the way you hide. Oh, I'll keep it safe, never break it apart. Show me the way you love. If home is a place, then it's right where you are. Show me the way, show me the way, show me the way you hide. Show me the way, show me the way, show me the way, show me the way you hide. Come and physical, yeah. Let our bodies work that miracle and give it all. I feel it taking over me, burning like 200 degrees.
Like what you see? Give me a call to book an inspection.
Tonight, oh, I can't go another day if you ain't spending it with me. I'll do whatever it may take to